Hello viewer, in this session I am going to solve the fourth problem of exercise 5. In the fourth problem we have been given the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on, and we have to find which term is the 78. First let us take, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4 and so on. Now assume that this number 78 is nth term, say it is Tn. Now first we have to find the common difference. We know that D, common difference, is equal to T2 minus T1. So this is equal to 8 minus 3, this is equal to 5. Therefore common difference D is equal to 5. Now after knowing the common difference, let us find the nth term. We assume that the nth term is 78. So we know that nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is equal to, we assumed it to be equal to 78. So now substitute the value of A. A is nothing but the first term, T1. A is nothing but T1. So this is equal to 3. Substitute the value of A in this equation. So 3 plus, we don't know the value of n. So n minus 1 into the value of D is 5. This is equal to 78. Or n minus 1, you open the brackets, it will become 5n minus 5 is equal to 78 minus 3. 3 if it goes to other side, it becomes minus. 78 minus 3, this is equal to 75. So 5n is equal to 75. If this 5 goes to other side, it will become plus 5. Plus 5. So this is equal to 80. So 5n is equal to 80, or n is equal to 80 by 5. This is equal to 16. Therefore 78 is nothing but T16, that is T 16th term is equal to 78. So this is the required answer. The number 78 is nothing but the 16th term of the given arithmetic progression. Now let us see the first bit of fifth question. In the first bit of fifth question, we have been given an arithmetic progression 7, 13, 19 and so on. The last term of this arithmetic progression is 205. So we have to find the number of terms, that is the value of n. We know that this is T1, this is T2, this is T3 and let us say this is Tn. Now first let us find the common difference. So common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. This is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So therefore D value, the common difference value is equal to 6. Now we assume that the nth term is 205. Now so Tn is equal to 205. But what is the formula for nth term? This is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 205 is equal to, value of A is nothing but the first term. A is nothing but the T1. A or T1 is one and the same. So value of A is 7. 7 plus n minus 1 into the difference, common difference is 6. So 205 is equal to 7, if you open the brackets, plus 6n minus 6. 7 minus 6 is nothing but 1. So 205 is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 6n, or 6n is equal to, if you take this 1 to the other side, it will become minus. 6n is equal to 205 minus 1, or 6n is equal to 204, or n is equal to 204 by 6. This is equal to 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Therefore, the value of n is how much? N is equal to 34. That means in this given arithmetic progression, the number of terms are equal to 34. There are total 34 terms in this given arithmetic progression. So now let us see the second bit of fifth problem. In the second bit of fifth problem, we have been given an arithmetic progression. That is, the first element is 18, second element is 15 1 by 2, third element is 13 and so on. And we have been given the last term as, last element or last term as minus 47. So we have to find the number of terms, that is the value of n. So this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, and this is t n. Assume that this is the nth term, last term. So first we have to find the common difference. So now d is equal to t2 minus t1. This is equal to 15 1 by 2 minus 18. So this is equal to 15 1 by 2 is nothing but 31 by 2 minus 18. So this is nothing but equal to 31 minus 36 by 2. So this is equal to 31 minus 36 is minus 5 by 2. So therefore d is equal to minus 5 by 2. We got the value of d. Now we have to find the number of terms. So for that we will take Tn. We know that Tn is equal to, we have assumed that Tn is equal to minus 47. So Tn is equal to minus 47 is equal to, what is the formula for nth term Tn? So a plus n minus 1 into d. So minus 47 is equal to, a is nothing but the first term. The first term is 18. 18 plus n minus 1 and the d value is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. If you bring this 18 to the other side, it will become minus 18. So minus 47 minus 18 will become 65. Minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So I will multiply this equation with 2. So I will get minus 130 is equal to n minus 1 into 5 by 2 into 2. So now this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So we will get minus 130 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. So now I will expand this equation. Minus 130 is equal to, if I open the brackets, I will get minus 5n. Sorry, here minus is there. Minus is there. So you will get minus 5 here. Minus 5. So if you multiply with minus 5, you will get minus 5n plus minus. So minus 5 into n is minus 5n. Minus into minus plus 5. You will get plus 5. This is minus 5n. So if I bring this minus 5n on this side and if I take minus 130 to the other side, we will get it as 5n is equal to plus 130 plus 5. So 5n is equal to 135. So n is equal to 135 by 5. So this is equal to 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 27. This is the required answer. So the total number of terms in the given arithmetic progression are 27. So there are total 27 terms in this given arithmetic progression. Now let us see the sixth problem. In the sixth problem, we have been given an arithmetic progression 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. We have to check whether minus 150 is a member of this arithmetic progression or not. So we assume that this minus 150 is the nth term, that is Tn. Now we will take the other terms, that is first element is T1, T2, second element is T2, then third element is T3, fourth element is T4 and so on. Now first we will find the common difference for this given arithmetic progression. So common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. This is equal to 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Now we assume that the nth term of this arithmetic progression is minus 150. So we know that Tn, the nth term Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this we assumed it to be equal to minus 150. Now let us substitute the values of a and d in this equation. A is nothing but the first term of the given arithmetic progression. So this is equal to, a is nothing but equal to 11, 11 plus n minus 1 into, we got d as minus 3. So minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150. So if you open this brackets, we will get 11 minus 3n minus into minus plus 3 is equal to minus 150. So 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 minus 3n is equal to minus 150. If you take this 3n to the other side and bring this 150 to this side, we will get 14 plus 150 is equal to 3n, or 3n is equal to 14 plus 150 is nothing but 164. N is equal to 164 by 3. So 164 is not exactly divisible by 3. So this 164 by 3 can be written as 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 2 by 3. So we are getting a fraction. The n value can be only a whole number. It cannot be a fraction. This is because minus 150 is not a member of the arithmetic progression. So since the value of n is not a whole number, we can say that the number minus 150 does not belong, or minus 150 is not a term of this given arithmetic progression. So we can say that minus 150 does not belongs to this arithmetic progression. Now let us see the seventh problem. In the seventh problem, we are supposed to find the 31st term. Given that the 11th term is equal to 38 and the 16th term t, that is t16 is equal to 73. So we know that the 11th term is nothing but a plus 10d. So this is equal to 38. It is given that it is equal to 38. This is say equation 1. In the same way, we have been given the 16th term is equal to, we know that 16th term is nothing but a plus 15d. So this is given as 73. Let us say this is second equation. Now we will multiply the second equation with minus. So minus, minus and minus. So now if you add these two equations, minus a and plus a will get cancelled. Plus 10 minus 15 is minus 5d. This is equal to 38 minus 73 is nothing but minus 35. D is equal to minus 35 by minus 5. So minus minus gets cancelled. This is equal to 35 by 5 is equal to 7. D is equal to 7. We got the value of D. So substitute the value of D in this first equation. So a plus 10D is equal to 38, or a plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38, or a is equal to 10 into 7 is 70. If you take the 70 to the other side, it will become minus 70. So 38 minus 70 is equal to minus 32. A is equal to minus 32. Now we got the value of D is equal to 7 and A value is as minus 32. Now we have to find the 31st term. T31 is equal to A plus 30D. So this is equal to A is how much? A is nothing but minus 32. Minus 32 plus 30 into D value is 7. D value is 7. So this is equal to minus 32 plus 210. So this is equal to 178. Therefore, T31 is equal to, that is the 31st term is equal to 178. This is the required answer. So I hope that you like this session, and if you want me to come up with more such videos on arithmetic progression, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video to your dear ones, and please post your comments. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a nice day.